All right, let's be real here for a second. I mean, yeah, Tyrese is starring in a Marvel movie now, but let's just forget about that for a second.
Oh, what? That's your boy in Monte Carlo? Yeah, that's him.
He's actually a bit of a badass in this movie. You know, Roman Pearce, bit hot-headed, but he's nothing like what he becomes later on in the franchise. He kind of just becomes the comic relief, the class clown. Whereas this, it's like, he's got a bit of a short temper and he's a bit kind of impulsive, but he's not incompetent. He does some clever stuff. He's pretty cool. I mean, this is what I meant about, you know, earlier saying Rome is a bit of a badass. Hot-headed, but is a badass. I mean, let's be real with ourselves. How many of us can just rip our shirts off, punch out a car window, and not feel like a moron? Right? Like in the latest movies, he's the class clown. And since everyone thinks I'm copying CinemaSins, you know, earn that paycheck, Tyrese.
Alien infidel. ¿Qué pasa, Jota?
I guess scenes like this are the reason why Rome becomes the clown later on. But I'll be honest, he had better material in this script than in the later ones.
Yeah, buddy, what are you doing, man? Uno, tres, cuatro, fronto, taco. Everything copacetic, homie. Me gusta chocha. Kiss my poop.
What was in that bottle? Like, just gasoline? I mean, nice trick, though, to be honest. But also, how does Carter not get mad at them for messing with his henchmen? You're not even from here. Sunglasses guy isn't shifting at all. Were these cars auto? It sounded like he money shifted there. Going off-road like that would slow you down way too much for any distractions created by this to matter. What the hell is he doing? Wouldn't it would have been better to just, you know, plow through the sign, right? Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
So you, lit my man's car on fire. Is that right?
Oh, he does bring it up. Man, my memory is failing me hard. The f*** is she looking at? We just got a shot of her looking up at, like, nothing? No one's standing where she's looking, but we just got a good shot that was supposed to mean something, where it's just like, I am in deep thought about orangutans and cucumbers.
Hey, come on.
You just don't care, man. Again, Roma's a badass in this movie, man. What happened? I mean, yeah, that worked a little too well, but it's not unbelievable. Not like ice skating on a door of a dead Lamborghini. Damn, Rome. I mean, I'm married.